Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again, and today we are gonna discuss about the Arduino Uno board. We are going to start a new series regarding Arduino Uno. So let's introduce with the Arduino Uno board first. So as you can see, this is a blue color Arduino Uno board, and in this board there are a lot of components, and I will guide you through each and every component first. So first, the black big one component, as you can see, integrated circuit IC, that is 80 mega, the main controller for the board, the microcontroller for the board, and this is the main brain, you can say, for the board. And these are the digital pins. Digital pins are from 0 to 13. As you can see, from 0 to 13, these are 14 digital pins, out of which 0 and 1 are reserved, so you can use from 2 to 13, that is total 11 pins. And as you can see here, we have A0 to A5, these are the analog pins. And here we have one V-in, 2 ground pins, one 3.5 volt and one 5 volt pin. Here we have one USB port to transfer digital data and to give power to the board, and this is USB port B, and it will connect with the controller. And this is the 12 volt adapter point. You can also put power through this point. And this is the USB controller chip, which connects the USB port with the 80 ohms main microchip, and this controller chip also connected to the USB port. And this is the 16 MHz crystal oscillator for the board. Now let's turn it around, and this is the back side of the board. Here all the connections are here, but no component is here, and the logo and all these are printed there. So that is the components of the board as I have described. And now we will start programming the board with a very simple programming. Okay, so to program the board, we first need an IDE. For that, we need to go to Windows Store and first check whether you are logged in or not. If you are not, then log in and then search with Arduino. If you search Arduino, the Arduino IDE will appear first, and we need to install the Arduino IDE. This is the main IDE for Arduino, and here we will write our program. So just install the IDE first. Okay, now the IDE is installed, so we'll just open the IDE. So here is the IDE. So as we have installed the application, now we need to connect it with USB cable. So here is the USB cable. As you can see, this is USB A to USB B cable, and this B part of the USB will go to the Arduino board, and A part will connect with our PC or laptop. So first we need to connect the USB B port with the Arduino board, and here how we connect it, and now it is connected with the USB port of the Arduino board. And another point, we need to connect to our PC. As you can see that now we have connected the USB cable, the LEDs are glowing on the board, and this green one is the power LED. Means the board is powered on, and this is an amber color LED, and we will talk about this LED later in this video. We're gonna program it and blink it according to our program. So for that, first we need to go to our IDE. So let's go back to our IDE, and here first we need to check that this component is properly connected. As you can see, the Arduino Uno is connected in COM3, and here we can see, here we can see that Arduino Uno is connected to port 3, and it is Arduino Uno only. So first what we are going to do is to put an example program in the Arduino Uno microcontroller and see what happens. So here some default programs are there, and one of them is blink. So here is the blink program, as you can see. So it will blink the amber color LED with the particular time. Here the timing is set as 1000, so after every 1000 millisecond means 1 second the light will blink. So just upload the program in the board. We have pressed upload and his uploading is done. And now you can see the amber LED is blinking up in 1 second interval. So again, what we can do is to change the duration from 1000 millisecond, means 1 second, to 500 millisecond or half second. So now we will change it to 500 millisecond, and again I will upload this, and again it is uploaded, and you can see the blinking is getting faster. So that's a very basic program, and as you can see it is very interesting to program the Arduino microcontroller, and in the coming videos we will experiment more with our Arduino board and other Arduino components. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please like and share and comment my video. And that's it for today, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.